Hello, credit enthusiasts. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair mastery, the art of efficient payment gateway solutions? Join us for an insightful exploration of credit repair industry, backed by over 20 years of unparalleled expertise. Discover the power of our strategic partnerships with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, Wells Fargo, and more. With a track record of assisting over 50,000 merchants, we take pride in our commitment to domestic U.S. support, available 24/7. Uncover how we stand ready to assist you whenever you need us, redefining the landscape of credit repair solutions. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. The foundation: understanding payment gateway solutions. These solutions act as the virtual bridge, facilitating secure communication between the credit repair business, the client, and the financial institution. Seamless transactions, credit card payment services. Efficient credit repair transactions require the seamless integration of credit card payment services. The right payment gateway ensures a smooth and secure experience for clients leveraging credit card processing services. Navigating high-risk transactions, high-risk payment gateway. Navigating this landscape requires specialized solutions, and this is where a high-risk payment gateway becomes instrumental. The online advantage: leveraging online payment gateway. In an era dominated by digital transactions, having a robust online payment gateway is non-negotiable. Mastering the utilization of an online payment gateway enhances the overall accessibility and convenience of credit repair services. The heart of operations: credit card processing for credit repair. Efficient credit card processing is the heart of credit repair operations. A tailored solution for payment processing ensures that credit repair businesses can navigate the intricacies of their financial operations. The backbone: merchant accounts for credit repair. A robust merchant account is the backbone of credit repair transactions. Choosing the right merchant account is pivotal for smooth payment processing and efficient financial operations in the credit repair industry. Security first: ensuring secure payment gateways. Security is paramount in credit repair transactions. Robust measures for secure payment gateways must be in place to safeguard client data from unauthorized access and potential fraud. The specialized touch: credit repair merchant account integration. For credit repair businesses, integrating a dedicated credit repair merchant account adds a specialized touch to payment processing, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience. And that concludes our journey into credit repair mastery. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. For cutting-edge payment solutions, visit TouchSuite, your go-to payments provider, trusted by 50,000+ companies worldwide. Payment solutions for today's businesses. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, goodbye.